Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden chillin', helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze, while you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me, getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. It's outdoor fresh form. Why be packing to make it happen? You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of stuff been going down. So first, before we jump off into what we're gonna be getting into today, I'm gonna take you around, let you see what that changed and what that happened, and the whoop de whoop, and how we gonna make it do what it do. You dig? Yeah, man. Y'all see it at the entryway. We got the rocks and everything done, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what's going on with this monkey grass, you know what I mean? It's a little hot, you know what I mean? We in the 90s already, you feel me? So we're gonna have to put some more water off in that thing or something, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all see, I repurposed those pots, you know what I'm saying? I used those years ago at Shadyville, down in Shady Lane. We grew sweet potatoes in them things, you dig what I'm saying? And we got some good yields out of them. We had about 6 of them, I think. But we repurposed them, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all see down there, adding the wood chips in, you know what I mean? Around the sunflowers. Them sunflowers starting to come in there. They busted like 3-4 different varieties, you know what I'm saying? So that's one thing on the list to do today, is to make sure we finish this up and get those wood chips down there. So that'll help combat this heat, you know what I'm saying? It'll keep the soil moist, help retain water, as well as give those microorganisms and those earthworms and things a safe, happy home to live in, so they can help those plants thrive and survive. You dig? Yep, we got the greenhouse in the work. You know what I'm saying? Cujo came off in this thing last week and helped me start framing that stuff out. And we're gonna use repurposed windows. See what I'm saying? But we're gonna make it look very nice and very aesthetically friendly after we get it all together. Y'all see right here, these are what I repurposed. You know what I'm saying? Those barrels, look, we got some more right there. Okay then. See what I'm saying? Y'all see it. The trellis is looking so nice. The plants are busting. The sturgeon, the pole beans are starting to climb. We got some tomatoes off in there somewhere. I know, I just seen them. Oh, there they go. Sun goes, you know what I'm saying? Cherry tomato. So we just making it do what it do. Y'all see back there too, I started adding in those wood chips, like I said, to help with the water retention, to help save the plants from so much heat exhaustion and heat stress, because that'll absorb some of that stuff, you did what I'm saying? And we just making it do what it do. See what I mean? Got where they at? There they go. Them zucchini already coming up busting. You know what I'm saying? We got them indigo rose tomatoes. Purple tiger stripe on them. Okay then. Look, big boy corn. That's already flowing and growing like a fool. That's that blue giant. Yeah. Then we got that kale is doing very swell. You know what I'm saying? So y'all also see I added some pots to the side. Ooh, don't it look so good? Oh yes. We're gonna add some more off in that thing too though. You know what I'm saying? Over here, well, we got the watermelons growing. You know what I'm saying? The watermelons and the beans gonna run up that thing. You deal with me? And grow up top right there. Y'all see how the nice horseshoe, it's growing. It's growing a little slow. The lettuce is actually growing very well, but some of the other stuff is growing a little slow, but it's all good. We know we're gonna make it do what it does. You dig what I'm saying? Then y'all know Day came in with them goats, but he done bought a female in there. You know what I'm saying? There she go right there. Yeah. And he just be wanting to be her whole everything right there. Mr. Petey Wheat. You know what I'm saying? Puncho. So yeah. Y'all see it. Got 3 goats. Then they're making it do what it does. Cleaning it down. Look at that. They ain't been here that long and they already got that much gone. You dig? Alright, and we walk up here to the orchard area. You can see We got some little privacy fence that we're gonna put a good mirror on to hide those bees. You know what I'm saying? We would have picked up them bees again from trees. You know what I'm saying? Make them do what they do so they can go ahead and pollinate. You know what I mean? All around this thing. Let me show y'all. Little pear tree, and we got some pears up there. Y'all see? Yeah. Got it busting off the chain up here. Let's see. We had another issue with the backflow too. You know what I'm saying? Had to come over here, fix it. Well, I ain't fix it, but I had to turn off the water. See, look, muddy than a fool. Everything was overflowing. It was spewing out everywhere. You know what I mean? Backflow. Got a crack in it this time, right in there. So we're gonna leave it off. You know what I'm saying? Because if you didn't know, when you have a leak or something like this in your sewer, you know what I'm saying, in your plumbing system, you are still getting charged for the water that is being lost. So make sure you walk your property, you know, you check for water, look for soft spots in your lawn, you know what I'm saying, in your yard, in your field or what have you, and check that, because you don't want to lose your money like that. You did what I'm saying. But as y'all can see, I got to come up here and cut this grass and get it right, you know what I'm saying? And we need some more wood chips to go around these fruit trees, and that'll make them bust off the chain. You did. So yeah, y'all see it. Got the wood chips, they got to be put down, but first we're gonna go ahead and cut that grass. You did what I'm saying? And then we also have to replant some plants and some seeds. Got them over there, and I got the plants right here. You did what I'm saying? Got some nice herbs. We gonna put them herbs out. You know, put some of them marigolds out. That'll bring in the bees and keep away some of them bugs. You did what I'm saying? So we got a very, very busy day, and it's supposed to rain like crazy for the next few days. So we want to get a lot of stuff done as quickly as possible. So time to put on me boots, unload, and get to going. You dig?
Way into the day I die, helping life on earth survive. This world business with no jive. I used to look the chicken right in the eye, thanking for life, doing me, and then hours later he was getting fried. Nah,
the grass has been cut. Yeah, man. Y'all see it? They did it whoop whoop real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just cut that grass. You know what I'm saying? They say we supposed to have some rain coming in this thing in the next day or so. So if you know anything about Georgia weather, you definitely want to cut that grass before the rain comes, because then it's gonna get even hotter and it's gonna get muggy, and then that rain just gonna make that grass all wet and thick, and it's just gonna be trouble for you. So I always advise that you cut the grass before you before the rain comes. Oh snap! Look at him. Somebody done killed the old little black snake, little king snake. Good night. Dang, that messed up. That snake right there get rid of all kind of rodents and other snakes, but somebody done murked them off. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't mess with them snakes like that, but it is what it is. You dig? Alright, I know we got a lot of work to do, you did what I'm saying, but we gonna take a quick little detour, you know what I'm saying, and restore these planters, you did what I'm saying. Like I told y'all, these right here, y'all can see where I've been getting down them a little workstation out here, you know what I'm saying. These planters right here were used a couple years ago to plant sweet potatoes in. But now, as you see, I got two right there, two at the front. And then what I'm gonna use these two for is to grow some peanuts. You did what I'm saying? Peanuts grow in the ground, you know what I mean, such as a potato or something like that. So I wanna use these. This will be my first time growing peanuts, but we're gonna see if we can make it do what it do and then make it look cool at the same time too. You did?
best way to do that is eat and pray. Get out the way, cause it come the wave, and it's so prolific. Outdoor fresh forms, right now it's like bombs, so make sure you catch it. Get out the way, cause it's on the wave, and it's so prolific.
Alright, y'all see it? Coat one down. You know what I mean? All the way around. Look a little different already. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna do some other work, let that dry, and then I'll come back and do like 2 more coats, you know what I'm saying? And then therefore it'll be up to par to my liking. You did what I'm saying? Then we can throw some dirt off in there and get ready to plant the peanuts. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna plant them peanuts in there. You know what I'm saying? I think I got 2 or 3 different types of peanuts, but we're gonna plant the coolest ones and put them off in there. Get it? Alright, now it's time for some tedious work. We gotta cut these cardboards and put them in the walkway area in between the sunflowers, because that's gonna be our base layer before we put our wood chips on. What they're gonna do is help smother out the weeds and everything that's living right there, but also create a nice environment for the earthworms and the microorganisms that live inside the soil. And it'll also help with water retention and keeping things nice and cool in these hot days that we're already here. You know what I'm saying? That are upon us in this May this year. So we're gonna get to it. Got that cardboard right there from Homeboy Fishing. You know what I'm saying? He work at a location where they have a lot of shipping going on. So he asked me if I wanted to come get some things, and I got it. You know what I'm saying? Help recycle, help reuse, and help the environment all at the same time. So about to make it do what it does. Then we're gonna put the wood chips down.
All of that. If you have a question, I advise that you ask, cause time is steady ticking and it's moving fast. Yes, it is. Put those seeds in the ground and they grow expeditiously. Out there planting in the garden and they grow prolifically. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. People don't even go outside, yeah, I'll still be digging me. Out there planting in the garden and they grow prolifically. Put those seeds in the ground and they grow expeditiously. People don't even go outside, yeah, I'll still be digging me. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. Spring turned to summer, yesterday is in the past. Constantly pick the weeds, or they'll take over the land. Yeah, I'm a farmer with a whole lot of swag that grows major groceries that you would never had this whole year. Everything gon' flat. I'ma grow exotic plants until you go and Google that. Tons of classes coming soon, where they going down at? Coming live from the outdoor fair farm, believe that.
Time for coat number 2.
I don't believe in limits, not even the sky. I just wanna see my people out there elevate. Teach them how to live with.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it. Been cleaning it out. You know what I'm saying? We got some more to do. Just did that second coat of that silver on them planters. You did what I'm saying? We done finished it all up to the walkway. You know what I mean? You see it. We're gonna go back through there, put some more hay in there, plant some more seeds, you know what I'm saying? Make sure we fill in the gaps a little bit. You know what I mean? But what we're about to do, go ahead and get these rolls done, and then go take it to the inside and start working on that some more. You deal with me? So it's all about the wood chips. So I'm gonna put y'all down for a minute so I can get this together, and then I can show y'all what it be about.
Whatever it is I want, I create it. Focus my mind, now I'm living life major.
Let that dry, and then it's be time to put them peanuts in here. You dig? Alright, y'all see it. This is what I did while I had y'all on pause real quick. You know what I'm saying? Went ahead and finished up that mulch. Y'all see it? All the way down Sunflower Lane. You did what I'm saying? But next we're gonna go ahead and go inside, put some more of them wood chips down, then get them peanut planters together so we can put that soil off in there and put some peanuts in there. You did? Yeah, man. Y'all see it. This is what we about to go to next. About to take the rest of the wood chips that's on the back of the truck and go ahead and relocate them over here. As y'all see, I do it a little bit differently over here in the row crop area. I get on my hands and my knees and I start picking weeds. You did what I'm saying? Then I lay down the cardboard and then put the wood chips on top. You did, so that everything can kind of be like at an even level or whatever. And then, like I said, the cardboard and the wood chips just gonna help with the nutrition in the soil, as well as protect those root systems so they can grow up under there and be happy and safe. You did what I'm saying? And I picked the weeds over here instead of out there with the sunflowers, because we're growing crops in here and we want to take out some of those plants that may be taking some of the nutrition from our crops that we're growing. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, but we're gonna go ahead and start dropping down those wood chips and making it do what it does up here in the row crops. Shit.
But it start within, with the picture you paint. Stick to the picture, block out the noise. Have rhyme, no visions, and turn your dreams to your living. I'm the best of my time, I feel like Tyson. Nobody going harder than me with this farming. Whatever it is I want, I create it. Focus my mind, now I'm living life major. I'm the best of my time, I feel like Tyson.
Yeah, man. As y'all see it, that was the last of the wood chips out the truck. You You dig what I'm saying? Finish that wheelbarrow action. Now we're gonna go ahead and get to this placking with these planters. You dig what I'm saying? About to go ahead and put some dirt off in there. Then I got me some peanuts. We're gonna drop a couple of them off in there and see if we can make it do what it does. You dig?
There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous, my defense is impregnable, and I'm just ferocious. I want your heart.
When it's organic.
Yeah, y'all see it. Don't put it up here. Them peanuts coming right behind the lavender. As soon as you walk off in the mix, you did what I'm saying. We done had a long day today. You did. We done put down the cardboard and put down the wood chip all around the sunflower bin. You know what I'm saying? Then we cut grass up yonder way in the orchard. Then we came back, planted some peanuts, and then we put down some more mulch down here in the row crops. But still not done yet for tonight. We gotta water down because the sun is soon leaving. You dig what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and get it right, feed these dirt babies. And then that peanut, this was a good time to plant them because the moon is waning. That means when the moon is leaving from a full moon going to a new moon or what have you, and it's gonna send a lot of energy to the roots. And since the peanut is a root crop, it's great to plant your root crops when the moon is waning, and it's good to plant your crops that fruit above the ground like tomatoes, zucchinis, cucumbers and stuff like that when the moon is waxing, and that's when the moon is going from a new moon to a full moon. So just a little whoop de whoop 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 to help you with your growing experience. You did what I'm saying? Now y'all be easy. I'm gonna go ahead and water down these dirt babies and get up out of here. You did? Peace.
You can grow two if you willing and able. All of that.
Don't forget and make sure you go follow me, Lelo Jones, at Lelo_Jones, and Outdoor Fresh Farm at Outdoor Fresh Farm. Like, share, and subscribe. You did.